Hello! In this lesson we will introduce you to colors and backgrounds. You can specify the color by using the color names blue, green, yellow, black, or even RGB, EAX, HSL, RGBA, or even HSLA values. You can use these colors to define the color of text, for example by writing. You can type down to set borders. In case you want to define the background of a page, you can define to a specific color. In case you want to use an image, I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next lesson.